So here we have a variety of cedar that's called Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar. This is a blue atlas cedar that's been trained in a serpentine form, as you can see over time. The grower has trained this likely on a stake that they took out, uh, and it's been trained over time to weep right down to the ground. So traditional blue atlas cedar is a upright, tall growing tree, but they've taken this tree and trained it into a serpentine shape, which is a really unique specimen in the landscape. It does have these nice blue needly foliage, which stays year round. This plant would prefer um, really more sun than shade. I wouldn't put it in less than about 3 hours of sun. Its sweet spot is going to be about 3 to 6 hours of sun. In terms of height on this plant, that's a little hard to say because it does kind of want to just follow this weeping branch right here. So you may get some ancillary branches that come out from the sides. If those are bothersome to you, you can prune them off. But really, there's no manicuring that's needed on this plant. We like to use them as specimens here. They look really great with some uplighting in the landscape, as well as some accent shrubs planted around it. But this is Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar.